hello, namaste. Welcome back to my channel Nruthyamrutha. I am Amrutha Sankar. If you are new to my channel, please check down the description box below to find all the tutorial links as well as my social media pages links. So without further ado, let's get into today's tutorial. For this step, we'll put our legs in V shape and bending position. And first, we stretch our right leg. Right leg should be on heels and left leg should be in bending position. So this is 1, 2. We bring our right leg into the front and put it in slanting. Then we take our left leg and we put it on toes. Then drop it down. That will be 4. We repeat the same on the left side as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. For this step, we'll put hands into Hasta and Ardha Chandra on the thighs. If you have not seen the Hastas video, the links will be provided in the description box below. Please check that as well. So for this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. As the legs changes, we need to change the hands as well. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now for the whole step, we go into bending position and put our hands. Make sure your elbows and shoulder is on the straight line and the right hand will be on the thigh. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hope you guys like this video. So if you like this video, please like, share, subscribe to my channel and please do come back on next Sunday to watch another tutorial video.